Yes guys, welcome back to Hair System DIY, and it's talking about getting the right colour. Getting the right colour for your hair system and how you can ensure that. So I'm going to go through 3 ways which you can ensure that you get the best possible colour match for you, for your natural hair and your hair system. Okay, so the first recommendation I'd make, and this is probably the best one, is to start with a custom hair system. So the difference between a custom system and a stock system is basically a stock system is made in the factory. It's not tailored towards your special needs. It's just made in a generic size, a generic density, generic color, generic base, all that kind of thing. It's amazing. The only drawback is that you can have about an 8 to 10 week wait to get your system. That's literally the only drawback. You'll see color here. So this is where you can select to send a hair sample. This is what I would recommend if you haven't had a system before. This is the #1 thing that I would recommend. Sending a hair sample. Do it first class, recorded, to make sure that it gets to the factory, because it's going to have to go to China if it's LaVivid. Actually, most hair system suppliers operate out of China, so yeah, it's likely you're going to have to send it to China. They'll provide you with an address once you've made the full custom order. This, as I said, it's the best way, because then they'll have your actual hair and they can literally match what they're making for you to your exact hair color. The second solution is being a little bit braver, a little bit bolder, but if you go on to, so what I've done is I've gone on to Lace Hair Systems from the homepage, and then I've just selected, you can select any system you want. They've all got a number of colors that you can order. Okay, now if you can see here where my mouse is going, these are the different colors you can get it in. And what's really handy with LaVivid actually is when you go on each one, it will tell you what color that number corresponds to. So for instance, if you look at my hair, I am light brown or lightest brown, so I'm a 7, and it blends really well with my natural hair. You might have chestnut brown hair, which would be a 6. You might have a bit of grey hair. Now they do stocks for grey hair, so if you look here, you can see, you know, you've got off black with 50% grey, 65% grey. There's a medium brown here with sort of like a 10%, with a 10% density. So yeah, you can sort of choose from there. Let's see how many they've got. So they've got 21 colours for this system alone. Now the last solution for you is you can actually buy yourself a hair system colour chart. Now this one is $55 from LaVivid, and that they basically send you this ring, and it's got like strands of hair of each different colour, so you can match your hair colour to the colour on the ring, and when you've got the closest match, you'll know, and it corresponds to, so they have numbers as well here, around here. So you will know, when you've got the closest match, you will know what number that corresponds to, and you can order it through the website. It's literally that easy, guys. So I hope you found that helpful, guys.